Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
My sister, you never reach like that, yo. You never reach, yo.
The phone is on.
Bring it down, bring it down.
All right.
Bring it down, DJ MJ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run mo fi bẹ̀ yín. Wọ́n ní kó dance, wọ́n ti lọ fi. I don dey see some moves wey no join.
Lolo.
Okay, DJ MJ, do you have Aruna Ishola? If you sabi dance, you must be able to dance everything. So DJ MJ, give me Aruna Ishola, Kayode Fashola.
For just 60 seconds.
60 seconds, we don't have time. Come on, do it. I want to see our youth waiting there, Sabi, culture, no they there. Okay. Okay, bring it down. Is she a good dancer? No. May she go sit down. Madam, they say may you escape before we beat you. Is she a good dancer? May she go sit down. The guy they try. He they try. May go sit down. May stay. Okay. Alright, DJ MJ. Give me any song that has wine it inside. Leave. Give me any song that has wine it where they can wind their waist. DJ MJ, help me here. Give me one song that has wine it inside.
All right.
Come on, DJ. We have to do this and be off in a minute.
Can we do that in just 60 seconds so that we can kick off the show tonight?
Alright, DJ. Give me all the latest songs that you have in 1 minute. I need to pick a winner in 1 minute. Come on, DJ MJ. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. By virtue of power conferred on me, I decide not to cause anybody to win. Because both of them just succeeded in increasing some people's blood pressure. So go and sit down and don't vex.
Thank you very much.
Alright, put your hands together for yourself. Come on.
Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we want to kick off with the closing formalities for the 3rd African Drum Festival being hosted by the Gateway State, Ogun State. I request that all of us will be upstanding now as we take the national anthem. Can we follow it up with the Ogun State anthem, Isheya? Alright, let's put it together for them. The combination of various drums taken from all over the 6th geopolitical zone of our dear country, Nigeria, giving us the national anthem and the Ogun State anthem. Let's put it together. One more minute. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our team all the way from Anambra State. Make some noise. Thank you. Thank you. Put your hands together. Coming up now, Iba Washe.
All right, thank you. Up next, we have Oba Iyanu.
Oba Iyanu coming up on stage.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.